Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go incognito on Instagram, step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tech tips and tutorials. All right, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 4. In the menu, tap on the search bar and type activity status. From the results, select Show Activity Status. Step 5. Now you'll see an option to toggle activity status on or off. To go incognito, simply toggle this switch off. Once you've done this, your activity status will be hidden from other accounts. Just keep in mind that when it's off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other users either. And that's it. Now you know how to go incognito on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.